Hello, friends. Join Emily on her relaxing Saturday weekend. It's fun and easy English for beginners. Watch her family adventures and learn new words.
Waking up early on Saturday.
Good morning, David. I woke up early today.
Wow, Emily, it's only 6:30. Why so early?
I feel excited for our weekend. No work alarms.
That's great. I love seeing you happy like this.
The sun is shining through the window. It's beautiful outside.
Yes, the garden looks fresh. Want some coffee now?
Sure, that sounds perfect. Coffee helps me start the day.
Here you go. It's hot and strong, just like you like.
Thank you, dear. This tastes so good.
So, what's our plan for this relaxing Saturday?
First, I want to enjoy this quiet morning time.
Me too. No rush, just us and the birds singing.
Listen to them. Chirp, chirp. So cheerful.
You're right. It makes me feel peaceful inside.
Peaceful? What does peaceful mean exactly?
It means calm and without worries, like now.
Oh, I get it. Yes, this is peaceful.
Let's sit here a bit longer before starting.
Good idea. I love these simple moments with you.
Me too, Emily. Happy weekend to us.
Exercising with sun.
Come on, Alex. Let's exercise together now.
Okay, Mom. What do we do first?
We'll start with jumping jacks. It's fun and easy.
Jumping jacks? Show me how, please.
Like this. Jump and clap your hands above.
Haha, I got it. This makes me laugh.
Good job. Now let's talk about benefits.
Benefits? What does that word mean, Mom?
It means good things that happen from it.
Oh, like what good things from exercise?
It makes our bodies strong and healthy.
Yeah, and I feel more energy after.
Exactly. It also helps us sleep better.
Cool, and reduces stress, right?
Yes, stress means feeling worried or tense.
Exercise makes me happy, not stressed. Haha.
Me too. Let's do planks now, okay?
Planks are hard, but I'll try.
Hold for 10 seconds. You're doing great.
Phew, that was tough, but fun with you.
See? Bonding time. That's another benefit.
Bonding? Like getting closer as family?
Yes, exactly. I love this with you.
Me too, Mom. Let's jump rope next.
Planting flowers in the yard.
David, help me plant these flowers, please.
Sure, Emily. Which ones go where?
The red ones here for more color.
Okay, digging the hole now. It's relaxing.
Yes, gardening makes me feel calm.
Me too. Smell the fresh soil?
It's earthy and nice. What's earthy?
It means like the smell of dirt.
Got it. Now water them gently.
Like this? Not too much water.
Perfect. They'll grow big and beautiful.
Just like our family garden.
True. This is good for the environment.
Environment? That's the world around us.
Yes, plants clean the air we breathe.
And it's fun to watch them bloom.
Bloom means flowers opening up, right?
Yes. Let's plant more over there.
Okay, hand me the seeds, please.
Here you go. You're great at this.
Thanks. It makes our yard pretty.
Yard is the outdoor space at home.
Yup, I love this weekend activity.
Cooking lunch. Trying a new recipe.
Alex, let's try a new recipe today.
Yay, Mom. What are we making?
Vegetable stir fry with rice. Sounds yummy?
Yes.
Stir fry means cooking while mixing?
Exactly. In a hot pan quickly.
Cool, I can chop the carrots.
Be careful with the knife, okay?
I will. This is fun helping you.
Good. Now add some soy sauce.
Soy sauce? It's that brown liquid.
Yes, it makes food tasty and salty.
Smells good already, haha.
Stir it well. Don't let it burn.
Burning means turning black and bad?
Right. Keep moving the spoon.
Like this? It's bubbling now.
Perfect. Taste a little bit.
Wow, delicious. We did great.
New recipes make lunch exciting.
Yeah, I learned a new word, recipe.
Recipe is instructions for cooking food.
Thanks, Mom. Can't wait to eat. Napping, then waking up with a headache from oversleeping.
Oh no, David, I slept too long.
You okay, Emily? You look tired.
My head hurts a lot now. Ouch.
That's a headache from oversleeping.
Oversleeping means sleeping more than needed?
Yes, it can make you feel worse.
Hikik, I planned only 30 minutes.
But you slept 2 hours. Gently.
Not funny. It feels like pounding.
Pounding means like a hammer hitting.
Yes, exactly. What should I do?
Drink water and walk around a bit.
Okay, hand me the glass, please.
Here, sip slowly, it'll help.
Thanks. I learned my lesson today.
Naps are good, but short ones.
You're right. No more long naps.
Feel better soon, my dear.
I will. Let's plan the evening now.
Sure. Headache going away yet?
A little. Phew, that's better.
Inviting everyone to eat dinner out tonight.
David, let's go eat dinner outside tonight.
Great idea. Where do you want?
That cozy restaurant near the park.
Yes, they have yummy pasta dishes.
Pasta? Long noodles with sauce?
Exactly. Or maybe some soup.
Soup sounds warm and comforting.
Let's invite Alex too. Family time.
Of course, he'll love the fries.
Fries are crispy potato sticks, right?
Yes, this'll be fun.
I'm hungry already. Let's go soon.
Me too. What about dessert after?
Dessert means sweet food at end.
Like ice cream? Yum yum.
Perfect. This relaxes us after day.
Totally. No cooking, just enjoy.
You're smart for suggesting this.
Thanks. Can't wait to chat there.
Me neither. Happy family dinner.
Cheers to that.
Walking in the park to digest food and relax.
David, let's walk in the park now.
Yes, to help digest our dinner.
Digest means break down food inside?
Right, so we don't feel too full.
The air is cool and fresh here.
Listen to the leaves rustling softly.
Rustling? Like gentle moving sounds?
Yes, it's very relaxing, isn't it?
Totally. Look at the stars appearing.
Beautiful. This ends the day perfectly.
And Alex is running ahead happily.
He's full of energy, our little one.
Walking helps me think clearly, too.
Me as well. No worries, just peace.
Peace, like we talked about morning.
Exactly. What a wonderful Saturday.
I agree. Let's do this more often.
Promise. Hold my hand tighter.
Okay. Shh. Hear the birds sleeping?
Yes. Good night, Park.
Sweet dreams to us all.
That's Emily's fun weekend. Practice English every day. See you next time.